Hello! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. This is Gabby's Vlog, where our latest vlog will be all about Miss Universe Philippines and sa ating updates on SM Caloocan. Subscribe na to the YouTube channel. There's a lot of likes, shares, comments, and views. Abutin ng 500 subscribers. Support natin sa ating social media account. Latest vlog 266, episode 266, and title Miss Universe PH plus SM Caloocan updates. Here's your vlog! Okay, simulan natin para natin ang Miss U PH highlights. Okay, simulan natin. Last Wednesday, May 22, gaganapin sa MOA Arena, Mall of Asia Arenas para sa Miss Universe PH 2024. Oh, Miss Universe Philippines 2024, hosted by Alden Richards, Miss Universe 2022, Arboni Gabriel, and of course, Jenny Mai, na palaging host ng Miss Universe Beauty Pageant with Tim Yap and Gabby Garcia, with special performers by Marina Summers, Win Metza Win, and Lola Amor. Here are the winners of the Miss Universe PH. At yung Lola Amor song, Rainy in Manila, ang ganda. At syempre, Rainy in Manila tayo na yung 2024. Kaya, inat tayo sa bagyo. Ang bagyong Ahok. Fourth runner-up, Miss Taguig, Christine McGarry. Third runner-up, Miss Baguio. Second runner-up, Miss Quezon Province, Atisa Manalo. While the first runner-up is Miss Cainta Rizal, Stacy Gabriel. And Miss Universe Philippines 2024, Chelsea Ann Manala from Bulacan. Take note, pinakaunang babaeng maitim or first black beauty to represent the country para sa Miss Universe Beauty Pageant gaganapin sa Mexico o first black American, ayan, sorry, pasensya na po, first black Filipino-American to win the Miss Universe PH title. Galing, congrats! And to represent the country para sa pink crown for the Philippines. Good luck! Her successor, Michelle D, on their final walk na ninanggaw ng Miss Universe Beauty Pageant. At yung first, second, third, and fourth runner-up ay appointment title holder for Miss Supranational, Miss Charm International, at Miss Cosmo. Di ko sure kung, at saka yung isa, di ko sure. Ayan. Congratulations, Chelsea Ann Manalo. Now for our updates on SM Caloocan. Okay, kahapon, ang gaganap na grand opening ng Idara Aesthetics with Audio Abrenica, Pana, Chloe Wandondon, Dion Veneracion, and Dustin Marion. Ay, kasi was supposed to mamit kahapon. But, mamaya, kanina, earlier ng hapon, sa mall show ng Viva Films na Soulmate starring Kim Molina and Gerard Napoles. Ang daming tao. Wow! Daming tao. Yan, congratulations to the cast members and showing us sa May 29. Yan po for our latest vlog. Oras na para sa ating New Music Friday bago matapos. Okay, we have a new songs from High Streets, Juan Carlos, and 21 Pilots is now available on the music streaming platforms, iTunes, Apple Music, yan, YouTube Music, and of course, Spotify. New Music Friday Philippines, click on the new release, black button para makita yung kung sino yung bagong song. Kaya malaman natin yan. Thank you so much for our latest vlog. Bye! God bless!